Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word heartfelt. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His heartfelt apology brought tears to her eyes. Heartfelt means sincere and deeply felt, often coming from the heart and evoking genuine emotions or sentiments in others. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.